Welcome back, everybody. I hope you all got over the back-to-school jitters here today. I certainly did. It was a little rough at the beginning, but back to school and back to summery temperatures. Yesterday was a little cool and crisp, but how about these highs? Look at all the locations in the 80s and even some 90s out there. Billings all the way up to 95 degrees. Now, I'm going to show you the Skycam from Boulder Hill here, and no issues with travel over the pass, but looking off towards the southwest, if I get right out of the way there, just maybe a little in the way of some smoke visible again from the Boulder area to the southwest. That's because of that McCluskey fire here. It was a large smoke plume that was visible for miles earlier today. Still a little bit of some smoke there. New wildfire west of Billings. That smoke plume pushed all the way over through about the Ashland area. And then we have a few fires that are burning into Idaho, and these smoke plumes are coming towards the east. So if you live around the capital, Great Falls, and look off towards the west tonight, towards sunset, you may actually start to see some of that smoke coming in overhead. On the radar, a little false return around Glasgow and Billings there. No, it is not raining out there. It is raining down to the southwest. We may see some of this rain start to come up towards Montana. More on that in a second, but got to get to Dorian here. Dorian became a hurricane earlier this afternoon. 80-mile-per-hour winds, pressure down to 990 millibars. For the most part, Dorian has missed Puerto Rico. Yes, there's been some rain. There's been a little wind in Puerto Rico as well, but a little closer look, you can see it moving just to the east of Puerto Rico here. And it's not a very powerful system just yet, but it may become a powerful system. By tomorrow afternoon, 90-mile-per-hour wind still out over the open Atlantic here. Towards Friday, it could be up to 105-mile-per-hour winds. And here's a little curve to the west or to the left. Northern Bahamas, watch out. By Saturday afternoon, there could be a major hurricane, Category 3, with winds of 115 miles per hour moving through the northern Bahamas and heading towards Florida here this weekend. Here's what's happening in Montana. I mentioned a couple of these showers and thunderstorms coming through for tomorrow. It's clear skies tonight, nice sunny start for tomorrow, but look at the cloud cover increasing, and this is not a widespread severe weather event, but there will be some scattered showers and thunderstorms coming through. Some of these storms will continue all the way into Friday here as well, and then getting into this weekend, the storms move out, we clear out, and it looks pretty nice. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, 3 days in a row of really nice late summer weather. Here's the forecast for tonight, down into the 40s to about 50 degrees. Skies mainly clear. There's a little sneaky cold front that's kind of working its way southward through the state here that will drop the temperatures back down a few degrees for your Thursday tomorrow. But watch out around Great Falls off the Rocky Mountain front through a lot of Lewis and Clark County down into the southwestern part of the state. There could be a few thunderstorms in the afternoon and the evening. A cooler day, a little breezy as well. The wind coming from the east tomorrow. For Friday, low pressure working off towards the north. We'll have a couple of thunderstorms, especially up here between Havre and Glasgow on Friday afternoon, Friday evening. Saturday, though, the storms clear out. And look at that, temperatures up into the 80s. Hardly a cloud in the sky on Saturday. And Sunday, high pressure builds and maybe an isolated thunderstorm northeast Montana in the afternoon, but overall, that's pretty nice weather here for a holiday weekend. Here is the 7-day forecast taking you through Labor Day and into next week. And we've got the warmth that continues to roll here through the weekend into next week. Couple of thunderstorms the next few days. And with today seeing the active wildfires out there, please keep in mind, still dealing with wildfire season. And this weekend, it will be warmer. The humidity will be lower. And we've got fire danger to consider with the nice weather as well.
Yeah, always good to have a reminder of that. Thanks, Curtis.